Hey everyone, in today's video I'll quickly show you how to switch to a board view in Todoist. Board view helps you to see tasks visually in columns, making it easier to organize work, task progress, and manage projects efficiently. In this work on Todoist, board view helps you to see the task visually in columns, making it easier to organize, track process, and then manage projects efficiently. This works on Todoist on your laptop or the desktop, and it only takes a few clicks. So first, you need to open any of the web browser, and after you open to it, in the top you will see there's a search bar. Type down todoist.com and enter it, and make sure to log into your account. Now after that, you can choose the project where you want to use the board view. Keep in mind that the board view works inside the project, not in the inbox or the today view. And once the project opens over here, you can select any of the project. If you want to add the project, you can do that as well. And over here, and I'm selecting one of the project over here. And once the project interface opens, you need to click on the top right corner, that's the three dot icon here, and over here select the view task activity. That is it. As soon as you click on this activity, your task will instantly change into columns, and that is it. That's how you can switch to board view in Todoist. It's a simple feature, but it makes a huge difference when managing projects visually. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you have any trouble or question, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.